morning and welcome to GHRC News Desk. Let's move on to headlines of the day. GHRC receives Green Institutional Ranking 2022. International AI Summit organized at GHRC. GHRC mega event Antaragini Technorion held at GHRC. 14 patents granted to GHRC. Workshop on machine learning organized by CSE department. NSS special camp organized at Devli village, Hingna by GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur. Let's take a closer look at the news. GHRC receives Green Institutional Ranking 2022. GHRC has been ranked number 32 in the Green Ranking 2022 across India by our World Institutional Ranking for continuous efforts to provide a global and holistic education in a healthier environment. A sustainable HEI, higher educational institution, is considered as an institution that creates, delivers and captures value for all its stakeholders without depleting the natural economics and social capital it relies on. The three pillars of sustainability, environmental, planet, social, people and economic profit form the base of our World Institutional Ranking to undertake responsibilities for creating awareness and supporting the sustainable institutions of India. Director GHRC Dr. Sachin Untawale congratulated the entire team of GHRC for this award. International AI Summit 2022 organized by GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur. The Center of Excellence in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning of GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur organized International AI Summit 3.0 on 25th to 26th March 2022. The main objective of the summit was to bring together industry, academic and research organizations to share and exchange knowledge and opportunities available in the emerging area of artificial intelligence and to provide a platform to faculties, students and industry representatives to present and deliberate the recent trends in the field of AI. The summit witnessed a galaxy of speakers from India and abroad. The 2 International AI Summit was inaugurated on 25th March 2022 at 10 a.m. at Swami Vivekananda Conference Hall, GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur, at the hands of Mr. Jaydev Deshpande, Principal Data Scientist, Brahmanar, New Delhi, in the presence of guest of honor, Mr. Harshish Sharma, Senior Data Scientist, Rapido, Pune, Director GHRC, Dr. Sachin Untawale, Dean, R&D, Dr. Sanjay Jaju, Head of AI, Professor Thomas, and COE AIML, Dr. Gopal Sakarkar. Summit witnessed the keynote addressed by Dr. Jaydev Deshpande on AI for this 21st century, building strong foundation, followed by panel discussion on building trust in AI. Through design transparency and governance by panelists Mr. Jaydev Deshpande, Gramanar, New Delhi, Mr. Kalpit Bawalkar, Converge AI, Mr. Piyush from Stride Ahead, Delhi, and Mr. Harshish Sharma, Rapido. Panel discussion was moderated by Vedant Bahel, final year student of GHRC, Mr. Harshish Sharma, Rapido Pune, delivered power talk on supply activation model for gig economy workforce, followed by session by Mr. Shantanu Dixit and Mr. Abhijit Sarkar from Infocept Nagpur on the topic Digital Transformation with AI. Day 1 concluded with Startup Showcase with interesting startup on virtual farming, video boards and Ekatra online learning app were presented. Day 2 of the summit commenced with launching of Hackathon by Hackathon, followed by Hackathon experience shared by Mr. Aditya Pobre and Mr. Atharva Khedkar, student of 6th SEM BTech AI. A session by international speaker Mr. Saif Malan, founding co-chair AI Future Lab Canada, on the topic AI and the Age of Recovery was organized, followed and keynote on explainable AI, how and why needs to focus on building AI solutions with explainability by Mr. Satish Ambasenge, Pragyan AI from Bangalore. Day 2 concluded with panel discussion on AI in 2030, the age of autonomous system, with panelists Mr. Satish Ambasenge, Pragyan AI, Mr. Ketan Paitankar, Converge AI and Mr. Sheel Ghule from NSS CDCL Nagpur. In charge of Center of Excellence in AI and ML, Dr. Gopal Sakarkar and Head of AI Department, Professor A. Thomas, were the coordinators of this summit. The IEEE CIS team and students from Department of AI actively participated in the successful conduction of the event. The summit organizers have thanked all speakers, management, deans, directors, GHRC and all the committee members for the support to make this summit a success. Antaragini Technorion 2022 held at GHRC, the mega event of GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur, Annual Tech Fest, Antaragini Technorion, Parakraf 2K22 was successfully organized from 29th March 2022 till 31st March 2022. It is a joint event which includes intercollegiate technical as well as non-technical cultural competitions called Technorion and Antaragini 2022. This year's fest, Antaragini 2K22, was based on theme Metaverse, which take you beyond the universe. The opening day kick-started with events like wall painting, talent hunt, DJ war, court stumble, robo soccer, followed by inaugural ceremony at 1:30 p.m. on 29th March 2022. This ceremony witnessed the presence of many dignitaries, Chief Guest Mr. Shailendra Pandey, Digital Editor Tarun Bharat Nagpur, Executive Director GHRC Mr. Shreyas Raisoni, Director Dr. Sachin Untwale, Deputy Director Dr. Milen Kanapurkar and Dr. Pramod Balke, Gathering in charge Dr. D.V. Padole, Dean Student Dr. Kapil Jhajurwal, Gathering Secretary Mr. Suramay Mukherjee, along with HODs and faculties of various departments were present during the inauguration. In the inauguration ceremony, post holders were given badges, signature dance and singing performance along with the well-known Janta Raja act was performed. Antaragini saw the launch of its first magazine titled Udaan, which has student achievements and accomplishments in various domains. Art-based trading stalls were part of the year's festival. Many interesting events were scheduled in the following day, which include fashion show, Nukkad Natak, street dance, technical events like Men in Action, technical marathon, electro fence and many more exciting events were conducted. There were more than 3,000 participants in this year's Antaragini. Under Parakram, various engaging indoor and outdoor sports were organized like cricket, football, basketball, pool, table tennis, inter-college futsal tournament. For Parakram, there were 2,800 participants. Cash prizes worth Rs 2.5 lakhs was awarded for all the competitions put together. On the last day, Celebrity Night was organized for students. Well-known Indian Idol 10 winner Salman Ali had a rocking performance. Overall, the Antaragini 2022 was grand success.
14 patents granted to GHRC. GH Raisoni College of Engineering has filed 25 new patents this year that leads to total count of 259 national patents filed till date. Recently, 3 patents have been granted by Indian Patent Office. Including these 3 total, 14 patents has been granted to GHRC till date. The granted patents are selection of capillary tubes in refrigeration appliances by A.S. Rao, design and development of brake test brake for all disc brake operated vehicles by Dr. N.B. Awade, groundnut harvesting and cutting machines by Professor Praveen Punjab, workshop on machine learning held at GHRC, Center of Excellence, Data Science and Computer Science and Engineering Department of GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur has organized 15 hours of training program on machine learning. The workshop is scheduled on every Saturday starting from Monday 26 February 2022 till 26 March 2022. This workshop is organized in collaboration with APS Microtech Private Limited, Nagpur and is conducted in online mode through WebEx platform. Training program is specially planned for 4th semester UGCSE students. The objective of the workshop is to familiarize the participants with basics of machine learning, algorithms of machine learning algorithms such as regression, classification and clustering, use of Python for machine learning. The workshop was conducted by Mr. Prashant Jha, technical trainer from APS Microtech Private Limited. During the program, there were expert lectures as well as hands-on sessions on various concepts related to artificial intelligence and machine learning using the Anaconda framework. It is a real treat for the aspirants in the field of machine learning. The program was organized under the leadership of Dr. Sachin Untwale, Director GHRC Nagpur, along with Dr. Snehalata Dongre, Head CAC and in charge COE Data Science, and Professor Priya Maidambar, co-in charge COE Data Science. NSS Special Camp organized at Devli Village, Hingna by GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur. National Services Scheme NSS cell of GHRC Nagpur conducted a 1-week special camp at Devli Amgaon Village Taluka, Hingna from 8 March to 13 March 2022. The camp was arranged for conduction of various activities and for betterment of villagers. In all, 50 students accompanying 2 faculty members attended the camp. Various activities like village survey, literacy survey, population count, vaccination survey, solid waste management survey, digital literacy, DigiLocker awareness, drawing competition in school based on green energy and rainwater harvesting theme. Quiz competition for students based on computer education, cleaning drive, rainwater harvesting and green energy awareness stalls at prominent places in village. Distribution of compost to farmers, Each One Teach One, Swachhata Rally, Nutrition Rally, Soak Pit construction for rainwater harvesting were conducted in village. In this camp, students observed various problems in village during the survey and discussed with the Sarpanch Madam. The camp members visited to an old age home located near village and felt the responsibility for the old people. They interacted with the people and took lessons about life. Mrs. Rajni Tonge, Sarpanch of Deoli village, held a lot for successful completion of the 1 week camp. In the valedictory function, Mr. S. Yole, BDO Panchayat Samiti Kingna, Shri Mohanji Tonge, ex-Sarpanch, Mrs. Rajni Tonge, Sarpanch, Dr. Mangesh Borkar, NSS PO, Dr. M. Vanjari were present on the dais. The camp was well organized by Dr. Mangesh Borkar, NSS Program Officer, and Dr. M. Vanjari under the able guidance of Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director JHRC Nagpur. That's it for this week's episode. This is Gaurang Sate signing off.